Hi, Eng Yew from Bureau Veritas, Director for BV Rise in Sustainability and Energy Transition in Asia. I'd like to thank STACS for their warm hospitality in having us here today, and also our fine audience for sharing with me your next few minutes of attention. At Bureau Veritas, our mission is to shape a world of trust. Incorporated since 1828, we operated in a wide range of sectors such as building and infrastructure, power and utilities, renewables, marine and offshore, agri-food, industrial and consumer products. We have presence in 140 countries with 1,600 locations, and we have a strong team made out of more than 80,000 professionals. BV is a business to society company that provides testing, inspection, certification, and technical services by assisting our clients to ensure that their assets, systems, and products are safe, reliable, and sustainable. We are contributing positively to our society. As a group, we are committed in our ESG journey, and we are humbled to receive recognition by many international rating agencies. BV Rise is a center of excellence supported by EDB Singapore, and we advise clients in Asia on their journey towards net zero, sustainability, and energy transition. In carbon, we look at the computation of carbon footprint, life cycle assessments for products and services, and verification of carbon credit projects. In sustainability, we look at clients' ESG strategy and help them with gap analysis, utilizing platforms and tools to assess and measure ESG maturity level. We also provide independent assurance of sustainability reports, which has become the norm in listed companies today. For energy transition projects in the region, we act as owner's engineers in renewables, such as solar, wind, hydropower, ESS, green hydrogen and biofuels, including the up-and-coming nuclear energy. We also advise on charging networks on the deployment and regular inspections. Also on the energy efficiency assessment for buildings and key assets. To better illustrate what we do, we have handpicked a few case studies for your reference. BV is accredited carbon credits verifier for Verra, Gold Standard, and CTM. For this upcoming project for KTIS, the third largest sugar plantation and producer in Asia, we have partnered with Evercomm to authenticate KTIS carbon credits for their circular economy projects on Evercomm's platform. An MOU was signed between KTIS, Evercomm, and BV during the recent Singapore and Thailand ministerial meeting in Bangkok. In this project, BV will advise on the process for carbon credit application, verification of carbon credits, and provide assurance support. In the area of sustainability, we are conducting amazing work for some of the big names in the world. For this client in the theme park and entertainment sector, they are concerned about their suppliers' environmental footprint, how the suppliers' footprint will impact their ESG commitments. Capitalizing on BV's sustainability expertise and presence in 140 countries, we conduct ESG maturity assessment with our solution Clarity on their 1,200 global suppliers. In the domain of energy transition, BV is very active in supporting renewable power plant projects with our owners' engineer services across the value chain. From design review and construction of new systems to operations and optimization of existing assets. To date, we have supported more than 3,000 renewable power plant projects in over 50 countries. One of our project highlights is this iconic green hydrogen project for our client Sinopec, which is the first and by far the largest in China, and likely also the largest around the world. BV was involved right from the beginning, reviewing the engineering designs to managing the entire project to ensure that the assets are safe and built to last. We have been in discussion with Evercomm on several projects since August. Through our regular interactions, we discovered that both companies' service offerings complement each other, and by leveraging on each other's strengths, we are able to deliver an end-to-end solution for our key clients. In October last month, as you see in photo here, We formalized our partnership in an MOU signing ceremony led by Mr. Vincent Baudieu, Senior Vice President for BV Southeast Asia and Pacific, and Mr. Ted Chen, Evercomm CEO. BV and Evercomm share a common ethos in shaping a world of trust. In our partnership, we have identified the trend of increasing needs for credible sustainability reporting and verified carbon credit projects. Leveraging on BV's global presence and expertise in accredited verifications and Evercomm's strong expertise in developing AI-driven ESG solutions to accelerate climate actions, both companies will collaborate in the areas of verified digital ESG assurance on emission reduction certificates, carbon credits, and carbon footprint. Through this partnership, we are confident that our clients can ensure transparency, accountability, and compliance with international standards in their sustainability reporting and carbon-related projects. Such credibility also creates a win-win benefit for both our clients and their stakeholders during the evaluation process of trade and investments. Building on our partnership with Evercomm, BV looks forward to create more win-win opportunities with the larger fintech ecosystem. Thank you for your kind attention and I wish us a fruitful event ahead. Thank you.